Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to language class. Adjectives that compare is our topic today. Copy the information that is in this chart, please. Draw the box. That's what I need. Draw this box. Draw this one. This is like that. This topic is on page 278 and 79. Adjectives, remember that adjectives have two different forms, and an adjective describes a noun or a pronoun.
Miss,
Yeah.
copy double final consent.
Yes, I said copy the chart. You have to draw the box that is here. That's what I said. You have to draw this box. And I was saying that an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. And adjectives have two different forms that are useful in making comparison. The first one is when you compare two things. When you compare two things, you have to add ER to the adjective. When you compare more than two, so three or more things, you have to add EST. But not only that, when you compare two things, you add to the adjective ER at the end, okay? But also you need this word, like easier than, bigger than, smaller than. So that's a pattern. That's a pattern. Slower than. Okay, that's a pattern. A pattern. When you compare three or more things, the pattern is the adjective EST. The easiest, the biggest, the smallest, the slowest, the fastest. Okay, my car is the fastest. I am comparing my car with the rest. My house is the biggest.
Miss,
Yeah.
Miss, I don't copy the last part of the box because I don't have space. I copy 3 parts.
Can you make that little piece at the bottom, down the box? Okay, show me notebooks. The ones that already finished, show me notebooks in the screen, please. Okay. Okay, so Stan, Ryan, let's see who else. Okay, Melanie. Santiago, Alan, good job. Many students are still copying. Jose Enrique, thank you, Maria Jose. Jose Enrique, you connected late. So the topic is adjectives that compare, and you have to copy this box. You have to draw this box. That's what you have to do. Okay, so you have to keep in mind, this, okay, Diego, you have to keep in mind these clue words. Okay, oh, I was watching Diego's camera. Thank you, Ivana. You have to keep in mind these words, than and the. If the sentence says, my sister is lying than me, you need a comparative adjective. So it means that you have to add ER. If the sentence says, the line of the class is Isabella, for example. That's what those are the examples I am saying. Thank you, Isabella. Says my sister is than me. So what kinds of adjectives I have to write here? Thank you, Daniel.
My sister is smarter.
Smarter than me. My sister is bigger than me. So I need an ER because I have than. But what happened if the sentence says the is Isabella? Here, student in the class is Isabella. So what is my clue word?
Smartest.
It could be the smartest student. So I need an adjective that finished with est here. Adjective that finished with est here. EST. That's what I need, an adjective that finished with EST. The smartest, the fastest, the happiest student in the class is Isabella. Okay. My sister is smarter than me, smaller than me, faster than me, noisier than me. Maria Fernanda, you have to upload your classwork in Schoology because you connected too late. Wow, that's a lot of noise. Okay, thank you. So Maria Fernanda, you connected pretty late.
Miss, only copy the box.
Yeah, the title and the box.
Copy the box. Look.
Okay, good job. But Maria Fernanda has to upload a picture in Schoology because I need to continue. We began the class around 6 minutes ago. Okay, and I still miss 2 students.
Miss and Christopher.
Christopher is here or not? Is he here? Let me check. No, he's not here. Okay, Christopher is absent, and I still miss 1 more. Gabriel.
Gabriel, Miss.
Gabriel. Now Gabriel is not in class. Yeah, now he's the ones he's missing. Okay. Let's continue. You could finish, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I
Okay. Good job. Now, let's take a look to this box.
And that a noise.
Yeah, it's but I already closed the microphones. Okay, let's take a look to this chart. This chart says comparisons of adjectives. But something that I forgot to mention that actually I have to make focus on this is the double final consonant. Remember that in phonics, we saw this topic. We saw that when a word finishes with vowel, no, with consonant, vowel, consonant, and this vowel make a short vowel sound. So we have to double that final consonant. In this case, the final consonant, short sound. In this case, the final consonant is a letter G. So we double the letter G here. Is a letter G. Big, has consonant, and the vowel make a short sound. So we double the final consonant, the letter G, and we add the suffix because ER is a suffix, EST is a suffix. Okay? Here, this one, when the adjective, when the word finishes in Y, when the word finishes in Y, we change the Y to I, and then we add the suffix, ER, or EST. But you have to be careful with this one, because those kinds of rules applies to all kinds of words. What happens if the word that I have has a vowel before the Y, like this word, they. They has a vowel before Y. I do not change the Y. I only add the suffix, days, okay? That's what I have to do. Like try. Like monkey, for example, I cannot change the Y. I just need to add the suffix. So the same happen, the same rule, it's applied to adjectives. The same rules apply to adjectives. So adjectives. Now, let's take a look to the next table. Look at this. One syllable, adjectives. One syllable ending with E, adjectives ending with one vowel and one consonant. Two syllables ending in one, three or more syllables, and irregular adjectives. Bigger, okay? We add ER. This is one kind. Or we add the superlative form, we add EST. But look at this. There are different categories. One syllable, perfectly. We add ER, no problem. Clear, clearer. Dark, darker. Clear, clearest. Dark, darkest. One syllable ending in E. So we do not duplicate the letter E. In this case, what it happened is that this last E is eliminated, this one. So you add ER. What happened if you don't eliminate that word? So your word would be like this, wiser, weird, right? And wisest, because the word has a letter E and the suffix begins with a letter E. So what do we have to do? We eliminate the E, the silent E, in the base word, in the original word. Adjectives ending with one vowel and one consonant. Oh, when we have this one, Daniel, we double the consonant. Crystal, pay attention, please. We double the consonant. Watch the screen. Sebastian, please. Here, so we double the consonant. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Fat, fatter, fattest, fattest. When we have two syllables ending in Y, we change the Y to I, and then we add ER or EST. Busy, busier, busiest. Merry, merrier, merriest. When we have adjectives with three or more syllables, we need to add this word. That's what I said to Maria Jose, because Maria Jose says, this is more easier. So you are duplicating because you said more and also you have ER. So more is not necessary. It's not necessary. But we use more when the adjective has three or more syllables, like intelligent. We are not gonna say intelligenter. That word doesn't exist. What do? Is we use more intelligent, more creative, more popular. For the superlative, we use most. The most intelligent student in the class is Isabella. Okay, more creative. The most creative boy in the class is Victor. The most popular student in the class is Melanie. Okay, so we use more and most, no ER and EST, when the adjective has three or more syllables. Now, irregular adjectives. See, I am good, you are better, but you are the best. Okay, good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. What is the most, what is the least favorite color? Or what is your least favorite class? La clase que menos les gusta. Your least favorite class. Or what is your most favorite class? Reading, okay.
Reading.
Reading, okay. See, so we use, these one are irregular adjectives. We have much, more, most, okay. I like it the most, porque fue lo que más me gustó. But sometimes we don't know how to use this word. We say, I like it a lot, but you can say, I like it the most. I like, or I like more this. Could be. Questions about this? No?
No. No.
Okay, oral practice, the first one. Choose the correct option. We have big, bigger, or biggest. I am going to say name because I need to be sure if everyone understood. Alan, let's do the first one. Canada is big, bigger, biggest than.
Big.
Canada is big. This one.
Yes.
Okay, Ryan, is Alan correct? Ryan, is Alan correct? Canada is than China. Look his answer. He says Canada is big than China. Is that correct?
Bigger.
I said Alan. No. Now Ryan.
Okay.
I have Ryan. How is Alan's answer correct? Ryan?
No.
What is the correct answer? This one is not. So is bigger or biggest? Bigger. Why? Because we have a clue word. And apparently you didn't listen to me. I said your clue word is this one. If it says than, you need ER. Bigger than, smaller than, faster than. That's your clue word. Okay, Daniel, second sentence. Monkeys are than elephants. Yes, Daniel? What's the answer? Smallest. This one.
Yes.
Okay, Sebastian. Look at Daniel's answer. Open the microphone, please. Open to your microphone, please. Is Daniel correct? Monkeys are smallest than elephants?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's correct. So both of you are incorrect. Because I repeat, what is the clue word? This one. When you have a clue word, this clue word, it is
Smaller.
Smaller. So it means you didn't listen to my explanation either. Daniel and Sebastian. After Alan gives this answer, I repeat that clue word, but you didn't answer because you made exactly the same mistake Alan did. Diego, 3. Giraffe are the land animals. What is the answer? Tall, taller, tallest.
Taller.
Taller. It is. Is Diego correct?
No.
Why not?
Okay, taller is used to the, what you say, palabra que dan. Es como que not use have the letter than, it cannot use.
It doesn't have than. If it, look, Diego, the sentence doesn't have this word. Than doesn't have it. So that's your clue word to use ER, taller. So the answer is this one. But one more thing. Look at the first sentence, Gabriel, please. The first sentence is comparing Canada and China. 2 things. So we need comparative. We need ER, bigger. Second sentence is comparing monkeys and elephants. So 2 different kinds of animals. We need ER, smaller. The number 3 is comparing giraffe with the rest of animals that live on land. So está comparando uno con el resto. So eso es superlative. We need tallest. Giraffes are the tallest land animals. Okay? Like that. But sometimes I feel you don't listen to me. And this is a general observation.
Miss, I can anticipate.
Do the next one.
Participate.
Crystal will do the last one. Boys usually have, Santiago, boys usually have, see, her than girls. What's the answer? Alan, you're not paying attention.
Short.
This one, short.
Yes. No, it's
Which one, Santiago?
second.
Second one, this one.
Yes.
Yeah, you know why? Because it's comparing boys and girls, 2 different groups, boys and girls. Okay, but it's not comparing this boy with the rest of the boys. No, so it is correct. Another clue is that we have this word. I have a microphone that is making noises. Is your microphone, Santiago? It doesn't sound well. Crystal, the last one. A bicycle is than a car.
More economic.
More economic. Yes. Because more economic, right, Sebastian, is equal to an ER. A bicycle is more economic than a car. Economic is an adjective, right, Alan, that has more than 3 syllables, has 3 or more syllables. Okay, let's copy some exercises. I know that it's late, but this is the exercise we have to copy from page 279. Yeah, but we're not gonna copy all of them. So we're gonna copy 5. What are the exercises you're gonna copy? Because I know that it's late. Well, in your notebook, copy practice B. This is the title, right? Practice B. And then exercise 13. The exercise 13 says a pond is. This is for Victor. Victor, a pond is small or smaller. Yeah, then Victor. A pond is small or smaller than an ocean.
Smaller.
Smaller. Yes, this is the answer. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna copy the whole sentence, no solo smaller, because sometimes some students do that. Just copy the word that answered that complete the sentence. But you have to copy complete sentences, okay? Complete sentences. A pond is smaller than an ocean. What is being compared here? Pond and ocean, 2 things. Next one is for Jose Enrique. Reeds grow. Reeds, it's a kind of plants that grow in water. Reeds grow than grass. Yes, Jose Enrique? Higher, exactly. Because reeds, what is being compared are reeds and grass, 2 kinds of plants. Next one. The next one is for Hazel. Trees are the plants of all.
Taller.
Taller. What is being compared here? Trees with the rest of the plants. So this one is a superlative comparison. It's tallest. Trees are the tallest plants of all. So the trees are being compared with the rest of the plants. is a superlative. Melanie, the next one. Frogs have smoother or smoothest skin than
I think is the second one.
the second one. But what happened? What is being compared? We are comparing frogs and toads. So two different kinds of animals. And also we have our clue word. What is our clue word? Dan. So the answer is
The first one.
smoother. Yes, is the first one. It is the first one. Isabella, let's do the last one.
The bullfrog is the
American frog.
biggest
The biggest. No, the biggest.
frog.
Exactly, because of course it is. Bullfrog is like dogs. There are different kinds of dogs, right? Chihuahua, Schnauzer, Terrier, Labrador.
Doberman.
Pit bull. Okay, there is a wide variety of kinds of dogs, but all of them are dogs. All of them are dogs. Some of them are black, white, brown, light brown, kinds of yellow. Some of them are big, other ones are little dogs. Other ones are huge, medium size. But all of them are dogs. So this sentence is comparing one kinds of frogs with all the frogs that live in America.
I may go to the classroom, please.
Did you finish copying all the sentences? Because I don't have time. If you already copied,
Miss,
yeah.
Ivana save me the internet la sacó de la reunión.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let me finish that video, please. You have no homework in this class. Yesterday I sent a message with the list of students didn't send me the worksheet about adjectives. We did no. Yes, we did a worksheet about adjectives yesterday. Adjectives and nouns. Okay, so thank you for your attention, guys. See you on Monday.